केरळांतल्यान 50 महाविद्यालयीन विद्यार्थ्यांचो पंगड सुटयेंत गोंयांत आयिल्लो आनी तातूंतल्या 16 जाणांक हडफडे आशिल्ल्या एका रेस्टॉरंटांत खाल्ल्या उपरांत उलट्यो जावपाक लागल्यो। विद्यार्थ्यांचेर म्हापसा जिल्हा हॉस्पिटलांत उपचार चालू असले। FDA पंगडान रेस्टॉरंटांत वचून पळोवणे उपरांत सगळे सॅम्पल तपासणे खातीर धाडल्यात।
आमकां इंटिमेशन आयले फ्रॉम दी मेडिकल ऑफिसर की कांय स्टुडंट्स जे गोंया आयिल्ले तांकां देर आर सम ऑब्जर्वेशन मेड which tends to be like a food poisoning. So in those terms we came here in this restaurant. So a lot of these buses with tourists, they come here and they dine at this place. So coincidentally this place was inspected by us earlier when our surveillance was happening in the past few months, and we had issued some improvement notices to this place, and they had done the corrective action which was also verified. But today, since we have come here again for an investigation, and with our discussion also with the medical officer, we got to know that there are 16 students who have shown symptoms, but overall there are around 200 people who have consumed food. So the sequence of event is such that this group had arrived from Dandeli in the morning, and they came here and they ordered for breakfast. They basically ordered for a idli sambar dosa, which they had taken as a parcel from this place. They took this breakfast and they ate at some other place. So now, as a part of our investigation, we will also checking with them that where they went and how they consumed that, and what was the time frame from where it was prepared and where they have consumed. So that is one part of it. And then they had lunch somewhere and they had dinner again over here, which was ordered from this place. So this was the sequence of event with this particular group. In addition, there were other groups also that have consumed food here, and no complaints have been received from that group. But as an abundant precaution, we have taken samples of whatever food articles that were there, of raw materials that were there. We have also taken statements from all these people, which is a part of our investigation.
FDA पंगडान म्हापसा जिल्हा हॉस्पिटलांत वचून फूड पॉयझनिंग जाल्ल्या दुयेंतींची भेट घेतली। ह्या प्रकरणात अजून हे फूड पॉयझनिंग काय आनी कितें रिएक्शन ते स्पष्ट जावंक ना। पुराय टेस्टी केल्या बगर कांयच सिद्ध जावचें ना, दोतोरान माहिती दिल्या खंय।
Them were not willing to give a statement, so there was one representative from their end who has given the statement. He has categorically said that it is not something like food poisoning. They are saying that they are having some exertion, and as per their records, 10 people who developed some symptoms of some vomiting or some uneasiness, and that is why they have come here, and that has been recorded. We have also spoken to the doctor here, the medical officer who was there in casualty. The medical officer has said that they have complained of these symptoms of indigestion and vomiting, but nevertheless there was no vomiting observed here, and they didn't pass any stools also while they were here under observation. So as a matter of abundant precaution, the doctors had written that they get their stools tested, and they get a blood checkup done. The blood samples have been drawn, but the stool testing is not done, and what we've just got to know that all the students by their own wish have left the hospital and they have gone back. So that is the status as of now. We will be writing officially to DHS to get official statement from their end, and if at all if some stool testing is done, then only we will be able to establish whether it was really a food poisoning, because only after the stools are examined we will know whether there is some bacteria that has caused this, and that will also help us to do a root cause. But this is what it is at this stage. We have taken precautions. We have also checked the hotels, so there is nothing to worry. We will have to wait and see what the DHS has to tell us if the students come back and they do the stool testing. So this is an update. असू शकता म्हणून ते सगळे एक्झामिनेशन जाता न्हू, दे कम टू द हॉस्पिटल, दे चेक. सो अनलेस अँड अंटील वी डोंट डू दिस टेस्ट वी कॅनॉट conclude anything. So as of now, everything that we have done, we have shared with you. So we have to wait now whether the testing is done, and then only establish this is a food poisoning or this is like exertion because they have traveled. So it could be indigestion. So there are many factors to it which can be only established at the end of the entire investigation.
गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गावकर, गौतमी गावकर आणि सानिका नागवेकर।
Chaos broke out in the Goa Legislative Assembly late last night as opposition MLAs protested the passage of the Jan Vishwas bill, accusing the government of rushing it through without adequate discussion. The Goa Jan Vishwas Bill 2026 was passed on the very last day of the assembly session, late at night at 11:56 p.m., replacing certain imprisonment with civil penalties. The opposition alleges the decision to enforce the law from December 2nd instead of December 9th is aimed at helping the accused in the Birch Fire case. Opposition members say the government has rushed a law that weakens accountability and favors those accused.
हे बिल जे आसा हे गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियान गोवा जन विश्वास बिल हे पास केल्ले आसा. स्पीकर सर हातूंतल्यान जवळपास डिक्रिमिनलायझेशन करपा खातीर म्हणजे बरेचशे एक्ट प्रिजमेंट आशिल्ल्यो त्यो फायन्सान आयल्या आनी फायन्स आशिल्ले ते डिक्रिमिनलायझेशन जाल्ले आसा. स्पीकर सर ऑल टुगेदर 10 एक्ट म्हणजे गोवा एक्सेस ड्युटी, गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट एक्ट, गोवा फायर फोर्स एक्ट, गोवा लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड एक्ट, गोवा म्युनिसिपल एक्ट, गोवा सिटी ऑफ द पेंजीम कॉर्पोरेशन पंचायत एक्ट, गोवा लेबर वेलफेअर, गोवा पब्लिक हेल्थ एंड गोवा नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल गार्बेज एक्ट. All together, Goa provision for the rationalizations 184, fine to be penalty, fine ashil ती penalty substitute झाल्या 167 आणि criminal provision decriminalization झाल्या 17 अशा पद्धतीचे आसा. हे ऑल टुगेदर गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडियाचे बिल हे आम्ही हांगासर अडॉप्ट करून घेतलेले आसा.
This Jan Vishwas bill has got one very peculiar clause, and that is section 1, subsection 2. It shall be deemed to have come into force on 2nd day of December 2025. There is one apprehension which people have got, that this bill is being brought with retrospective effect, with an intention to help people, because these enactments which I have spoken about definitely are involved or get applied in this Birch tragedy. One. Now, coming to this, so there is an apprehension that this date, see, please look at this, the date will give a imprimatur to these people to get free and get out. The date, you say, is written here, was promulgated by the Honorable Governor of Goa on 2nd December 2025. But it was published on 9 December 2025. Now, please know one thing. In law, this is a penal provision. Penal provision cannot operate in retrospective effect. No person shall be convicted of any offence except for violation of a law in force at the time of commission of the act charged as an offence, nor be subjected to a penalty greater than that which might have been inflicted under the law in force at the time of the commission of the offence. Penal laws, unless it's procedural, cannot be retrospective. Your date of promulgation by the governor is 2nd, but your date of publication is 9th. So the law would come into force on 9th and not on 2nd. And for this,
from 2nd only. We are
can't
promulgated
happen.
on 2nd.
It can't happen.
Fine.
It cannot, and I'm going to show this. You can't make a law and put it in your drawer and say that this is the law. Otherwise, you will make this law, you will apply it to them, they will sit quiet, challenge your entire FIR and your entire charge sheet, and they will get free. Natural justice requires that before a law can become operative, it must be promulgated or published. It must be broadcast in some recognizable way so that all men may know what it is, or at the very least, there must be some special rule or regulation or customary channel by or through which such knowledge can be acquired with the exercise of due and reasonable diligence. The thought that a decision reached in secret recesses of a chamber to which the public have no access and to which even their accredited representatives have no access and of which they can normally know nothing can nevertheless affect their life, liberty and property by the mere passing of a resolution without anything more is abhorrent to civilized man. It shocks his conscience. In the absence, therefore, of any rule, regulation or custom, we hold the law cannot come into being in this way. Promulgation or publication of some reasonable sort is essential.
मी ऑर्डिनन्स 2 तारखेक काढला. ऑर्डिनन्स काढलेलो आयच्या डेटीत सुद्धा तो ऑर्डिनन्साचा जोपर्यंत बिल जायना तोपर्यंत त्या खातीर आम्ही 2 तारखेच्यान कन्सिडर केल्लो ऑर्डिनन्स इज इन एक्टिव्ह म्हटल्या उपरांत प्रॉम्युलेटेड डेटूय आमची 2 तारीखूच आसा. ऑर्डिनन्स ऑलरेडी काढला आमी. ओके, त्या खातीर तुम्ही जे म्हणटा पळय न्ही आमकां त्या बर्च फायर केसीत कोणाकूच साल्वार करपाचो ना. ओके, आणि तेका आमी खंयसरूच हांगासर हे जे आसा आमचे BNS.
What is wrong to change the date to the date of the Gazette? Then everything gets clear.
ना ऑर्डिनन्स काढलेला असताना
you are giving them a way out.
आम्ही ऑर्डिनन्स काढला
Now ordinance was kept in the drawer of the governor.
ना तशें जायना.
A state that replaces justice with invoices does not remain a state governed by law. it becomes a marketplace where crime is priced and accountability is optional. Speaker sir, हे जे amendment हाडला हातून गोंय सेफर जायना, वायलेशन चिपट जाता, ऑफिशियल विकर जाता आणि लाइव्स एक्सपेंडेबल जाता. म्हळ्यार मेलो तो गेलो, कितले पयशे सांग. कोण फाल्यां बरो टायट जावपाचो व्हरून मारपाची गाडी मनशाक मारपाचो, तुझे पयशे कितले ते सांग. लायफाचो व्हॅल्यू घातकी बील जालें.
आता ताका 2 तारखेक आमकां कितें स्वप्न पडलेलें बर्थ जातलो म्हणून
ना
आमकां स्वप्न पडलेलें
मागीर केलें तुवें
बॅकडेटेड
6 तारीख जावन मागीर 2 तारीख केलो.
स्पीकर सर हांव परत एकदा ताका सांगता स्पीकर
शेड्यूल अधिनियम सूत्रांनी प्रदीर्घ महत्वाच्या विधेयकाचे भाग झाल्या. मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी आता विधेयक मानून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडलो. प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक मानून घेवचे, तांकां ते मान्य आसा तेणे हय म्हणचे, मान्य ना तेणे ना म्हणचे. हय म्हणटल्याचे म्हणणे मान्य जाले, हय म्हटल्याचे म्हणणे मान्य जाले. गोंय जनविश्वास कायदे दुरुस्ती विधेयक 2026 मान्य.
Nitiksha Gaonkar, Lindsay Menezes and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.
हडफडे उजो प्रकरणात पंचायत सचिव रघुवीर बागकर ताची अटकपूर्व जामीन न्हयकारल्या उपरांत कितलेशेच दिसा सावन फरार आशिल्लो. ताका पुलिसांनी आता ताब्यांत घेतला. ताचेर म्हापशा कोर्टांत सुनावणी जातली.
6 डिसेंबराक रातच्या 11:30 वरांचेर हडफड्या वाठारात आशिल्लो बर्च बाय रोमिओले ह्या नायट क्लबाक उजो लागलो आणि ह्या उज्यान सुमार 25 जाणांक मरण आयिल्ले. गोंयांतली ही पहिली अशी घडणूक ह्या घडणुकेन पुराय गोंयांक हालोवन दवरले. ह्या घडणुकेन जे ह्या क्लबाचे ओनर आशिल्ले तांकां पुलिसांनी अरेस्ट केली, तशेंच कांय स्टाफ आशिल्ले तांकांय पुलिसांनी अरेस्ट केली. तशेंच हो जो क्लब आशिल्लो हो ह्या वाठारांत बेकायदेशीररित्या चलतालो. ह्या क्लबाक एनओसी दिवपी आरपोरा पंचायतीचे सेक्रेटरी हांचेय हितून नांव आशिल्ले. ही घडणुके उपरांत तांच्यांनी म्हापशेच्या जीएमएफसी कोर्टान जे रघुवीर बागकर आसा हांच्यांनी एंटीसिपेटरी बेल फायल केल्ली. कोर्टान तांची जी बेल आसा ही रिजेक्ट केल्ल्या कारणान ते खंय तरी एब्सकॉन्डिंग आशिल्ले. सध्या तांकां अंजुना पुलीस स्टेशनान अरेस्ट केल्ली आसा आणि सध्या तांकां जे शिवोलचे पीएचसी आसा थंय तांकां मेडिकल ट्रिटमेंट मेडिकला खातीर व्हेल्ले आसा आणि फाल्यां तांकां म्हापशेच्या जीएमएफसी कोर्टान प्रोड्यूस करतले.
गोवा 365 खातीर नितीक्षा गांवकर, गौतमी गांवकर आणि वैष्णवी साळगांवकर.
हडफडे जाल्ल्या उज्याच्या प्रकरणा उपरांत सुरक्षा येवजण तशेंच योग्य कागदपत्रां नाशिल्लीं हॉटेलां आनी रेस्टॉरंटांचेर खर कारवाय चालू आसा. आयज बाणावली आनी कोलवा 4 रेस्टॉरंटां आनी एक हॉटेल सील केला. रोहित कदमाच्या फुडारपणा खाला अधिकाऱ्यांनी ही कारवाय केली. वळयात रमेश नाईक रावताचो रिपोर्ट.
नॉर्थ गोवा आरपोरा जो इन्सिडेंट जालो आनी ह्या इन्सिडेंटान 25 जाणांचो जो जीव गेलो, हेजे वयल्यान सरकाराची जी यंत्रणा आसा ही आतां सगळे कडेन जागी जाले कडेन आसा. आनीक सद्याक हे सगळे जे आसात हे आतां सगळे कडेन इन्क्वायरी करपा लागले कडेन आसात. आनी हे इन्क्वायरी करता करता बाणावले आनी कोलवा हांगा जी काही हॉटेल्स जी आसात हांकां फायरेची आनीक बाकीची ट्रेड लायसन्स हेंची परमिशन नासले कारणान आज ही सील केले कडेन आसात. आनी ही सील करता आसतना जी गव्हर्मेंटाची जी ऑथॉरिटी आसा ही सगळी ऑथॉरिटी जी आसा ही थंय हजर आसली आनी तेणी एज पर कायद्या प्रमाणे ज्यो तांकां एनओसी जाय आसताल्यो त्यो एनओसी घेतल्यो ना म्हणटकीर तेणी त्यो सीज केले कडेन आसा. आज आमी दाखयता तुमकां की कोलवा आनी बाणावले ह्या जाग्याचेर जी हॉटेल तेणी सील केले कडेन आसात.
सो आज आम्ही युअर स्टोरी बाणावली एका सील केला बिकॉज दे डीड नॉट हॅव एनी वॅलिड ट्रेड लायसन्स, neither they had the fire NOC, neither they had any other permissions to operate this particular shed. So तेका लागून आम्ही सील केला. So we have given him time to approach the government authorities for various permissions and all.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नाईक राऊत, मनीषा जाधव आणि वैष्णवी साळगांवकर.
आमी जे आसा ते आतां कुणय जंक्शनाचेर आसात. कुणय जंक्शन जें आसा हे माडोळच्यान वयर येतात आनी ते वाटेच्यान परत सकयल गाडी येतात. हो सर्कल जो आसा हो सर्कल इतलो डेंजरस आसा की रातचे हांगा लायट नाशिल्ल्यान हांगा जे लोकल गाडी आसात त्या लोकल गाडयांक खूब त्रास जाता, 2 व्हिलराक त्रास जाता, 4 व्हिलराक त्रास जाता, ज्यो व्हडले गाडयो त्यो फास्ट व्हडले लायट मारू येता, हाय पावरान लायट मारूं येतात आनी हांगा ज्यो बारीक गाडी ज्यो आसात तांकां खूब त्रास जातात. ताका लागून लोकांचो डिमांड आसा की हे जंक्शनाचेर एक कमीत कमी एक लायट तरी आसची हांगा, ताका लागून लोकांचें डिमांड आसा. ही लायट नाशिल्ल्यान जेन्ना फुडेच्यान आडोळो लोक येतात तांकां इतलो त्रास जाता की हे जंक्शन जें आसा जंक्शन परत वयर वता फुडें पुणे वता हे खूब त्रासदायक आसा. कित्याक लोकल ज्यो मोटरसायकली आसात लोकल धाकटी गाडी आसात तांकां खूब त्रास जाता कित्याक हांगा लायट ना आनी लोकांचो डिमांड इतलो आसा की हांगा लायट मातशी आसा कुणेचें. ताका कितें उपाय आसपा जाय?
पुणे जंक्शन जे आसा हे आयज काल जर तुम्ही पळयत जाल्यार थंय जेणे वेळार आमी रातचे 2 व्हिलरी घेवन वयतात किंवा 4 व्हिलरी चडसो करून चड 2 व्हिलरीक थंय सामको काळोख आसता थंय आनी काळखाक लागून 2 व्हिलर आमकां भरपूर त्रास जाता 2 व्हिलरीचे म्हणजे ताका लागून सरकारा कडेन आनी डिपार्टमेंटान आमची मागणी आसा की हांगासर स्ट्रीट लायटी ज्यो आसा त्यो स्ट्रीट लायटी घालप आसा जेणे करून जो 2 व्हिलरीक थंय एक्सिडेंट जावपाक शकता आनी थंय गोंदळ जाता सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार. ताका लागून सरकारा कडेन मागणी आसा की जाता तितले बेगीन त्यो स्ट्रीट लायटी घालच्यो आनी हो जो इशू आसा जो प्रॉब्लेम आसा लोकांचो तो सॉर्ट आवट जातलो जाल्यार फक्त एका सोल्युशन म्हणजे स्ट्रीट लायटी.
रातचो थंय इतलो काळोख आसता, एके सायडी थंय केव्स आसा, एन्शियंट केव्स आसा, दुसरे सायडी मठा कडेन वचना रोड आसा, तिसरो कुंकळे वचपा रोड आसा आनी एक माड्डोळ रस्तो आयिल्लो आसा. ह्या जंक्शनाचेर टोटल काळोख आसात आनी बेजिकली व्हडले ट्रक वतात, इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रक वता, पब्लीक बसी वतात. हेका लागून सामान्य मनशाक म्हणजे 2 व्हिलर आसा, स्मॉल व्हेकल्स आसा तांकां भरपूर त्रास जाता. ताका ताबडतोब ह्या जंक्शनाचेर न्ही बरे पैकी लायट घालपाची गरज आसा जेणे करून हांगासर परत असो वायट घडणूक घडची ना.
गोवा 365 खातीर कृष्णा नायक आनी वैष्णवी साळगांवकर.